Guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to set up Supra Wallet extension on your mobile. How do you add your Supra Wallet extension on your mobile phone? So what you need to do is go to your Kiwi browser. Once you go to your Kiwi browser, the next thing you need to do is search for Supra extension. So just click on this plus my name button here and search for Supra. Wallet. Just search for Supra Wallet extension. You can see once you click on it, it's going to take you directly to the extension. So we need to just click on, just come here, and you're going to see this wallet here. You can see this Chrome. Always make sure you use your Chrome web, but that's star key wallet. Okay, so click on this. It's going to take you there. Just make sure you click on Chrome Web Store. Okay. So now again to see now. Okay, and this is it. We're going to see add to Chrome. Just wait a little, and this is it. Here you can see. Just click on add to Chrome, and we have automatically add the the star key wallet on our. Okay, I think it's just wait a little. Okay, it's been adding. You can see. Click on OK. You're going to see very well. Let's wait for it. Almost done. It's almost done. You can see it's here rolling. Okay, you can see. And let me check. So if you want to check all your extension that you have had on your Chrome browser, just come to this three line dot, and we're going to see all extension that we had now. So just click here and scroll down, and you can see this is star key wallet extension. You can see. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.